Let's find the domain and range of an inverse function. Let f of x equal 5 over x plus 2. Now you can take your graphing calculator and type it in under y1 and take a look at the graph. We will do that a little bit later. But let's start out and define the domain. Your domain are all the values that x can be. Now as we look at our denominator, where x is located, we know that the denominator cannot be 0 because 5 divided by 0 is undefined. Therefore, x cannot be a number where x plus 2 cannot equal 0. Subtract 2 from both sides, and therefore x cannot be a negative 2. For the range of f of x equaling 5 over x plus 2 is the values that y can take on, given x being all values except a negative 2. Well, we know that in an inverse function, that in order to get 0 as an output, a y value, the numerator needs to be 0. In this situation, the numerator is 5. Therefore, y cannot be 0. Now, if you're taking your graphing calculator and you're typing in the equation 5 over x plus 2 in parentheses, so y1 equals 5 over x plus 2, make sure you use parentheses, you're going to get a graph that looks something like this. Those dotted lines represent asymptotes. And your graph is a hyperbola that approaches those asymptotes but never crosses it. In other words, y can be all the values above 0 and below 0, but it cannot be 0. That's your range. X are all the values to the right of a negative 2 and to the left of a negative 2.